Shizhenjian Old Street was once the liveliest street in Nanzhuang. It's a major road going to Penglai and Donghe. The connected houses from the 40s and 50s and the piece of a town past its heyday are perfect for taking a leisurely walk and enjoying the pace of a slow city. It feels like traveling through time to encounter Nanzhuang's past. Are you wondering why this place is called Shizhenjian Old Street?
We need an old friend to explain to us.
That's right.
Hello, Sakura.
Good afternoon. There are two explanations for why it's called Shizhenjian 13 houses. The first is there were originally 13 connected houses here. The second is what kind of businesses each of the original owners ran, so the name refers to their 13 different businesses. Like the comb and scissors over here.
Oh, a barbershop.
Correct.
Ah, that's so clear. You know at a glance what they do here.
Also, we have both Hakka and Atayal people here. So we want to know which group does the family living here belong to?
Good question.
You can tell from outside?
Yes.
I'd probably have to knock and ask, "Excuse me, where are you from?"
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah, look over here. There are 5 copies of 5 blessings hanging up. That means this family is Hakka.
Oh, so only Hakka put those up.
That's right. And the Mianese put up pairs of couplets.
On the way here, we saw a bunch of traffic cones that seemed pretty unusual. I like them.
Yeah, those local elements like Hakka radishes and Atayal persimmons and Sesia trouts, they were painted as part of creating our slow city.
Shisanken lies at the end of Wenhua Road. A century ago, a canal was built to bring water to the settlement here, and stone slabs were installed for washing clothes. Shisanken means clothes washing ditch. Even now, local housewives and older women gather here early in the morning to chat and do their laundry.
I was wondering if this was a stream.
Is this a bench?
This is where old ladies do laundry.
Oh, really? It's mountain spring water, right?
Right, the spring is above.
So, what time do they come here?
Probably 4, 5, 6 o'clock
That's so early.
Oh, AM, not PM.
a.m.
That's so early. Since we're at Asmontes Alley, let's have a quick look at what makes it special.
Okay.
Next, we're going to Yongchang Temple, the local center of worship.
Hakka worships the 3 great emperors officials who rule heaven, earth, and water.
Because a lot of them were farmers?
That's right. So as time went on, this became a major center for worship. Look at this. These are the door gods. Now, if you look at his feet, no matter where you're standing, he's facing you. Pretty cool, right?
Just like the Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
Just looking at me.
Yes, and then over here, if you walk slowly, are the main gods, the 3 great emperor officials.
Yongchan Temple is a 3-floor structure combining the modern and traditional. Originally built in 1905, it was destroyed in the 1935 Shinjuku Taichu earthquake. It was then moved and rebuilt multiple times until 1988, when it finally settled here to become one of Nanzhuang's rich cultural sites. Amid the slow pace of the old street, a fabric store bursting with color has been in business for more than 80 years. The owner welcomes visitors with a smile when they come to admire Hakka floral fabrics and other items. This is one of the old street's can't-miss spots.
Hello.
Hello!
Welcome.
There are so many different designs.
The shop is old, more than 80 years.
That's a long time, and all the fabric here is so colorful.
I see you have bags here and backpacks and hats and clothes, like a lot of stuff. Any chance we could try them on? Is that okay?
Of course, they're unisex. I'll get one for you.
Oh, she's getting one for me to try on.
Can you suggest one for me?
I thought that I'll be too hot like wearing this, but I'm not hot at all.
This is cotton.
So it's because it's cotton?
It absorbs sweat.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it would be great even in summer.
Then can I ask you a question? Like of the things you have here, which one would you say are the most complex?
Oh, those. They take a lot of work.
Oh, you mean the handbags?
Yeah.
More steps involved. These are like designer bags.
Yeah, the design is amazing.
Every one of these items made from Hakka floral fabric is a handmade work of art sewn by the proprietor, a beautiful mark left by time, wrapped around Nanzhuang's slow, indescribable, one-of-a-kind, slow-paced lifestyle. Nanzhuang is mostly Hakka, and rice is their staple food. They often welcome guests with rice-based dishes. So in Nanzhuang, rice-based cuisine is everywhere to be found. Lu Tangqi, also called Tang Shiban, is made from glutinous rice paste. The 5-element Lu Tangqi we're sampling today has a little something extra special.
I see that not only Taiwanese TV shows come here, international ones did come too.
Yes, they have.
Wow, can you tell us about your signature dish?
Traditionally, there's only one color, just the one. White, the classic, basic Hakka color.
Basic tangyuan, basic.
Yes. As for the rest of the colors, there's the 5 elements, right? So we have 5 colors. The color is from ingredients like turmeric and beets. No artificial coloring.
Oh, the color is all natural.
Oh, healthy, right?
That's right.
Oh, got it. Now the 2 bowls in front of us, one is hot and one is iced, right? So you can pick. Which one do you want?
Yes, I want the iced one.
Oh, you want the iced one. Okay, I'll take the hot one.
Okay, let's see.
Back in the day, back when I was a kid, we grew our own glutinous rice and peanuts too. We'd fry the peanuts and add them on top. It smelled so good, it was perfect.
It seems kind of chewier than the usual kind.
Yeah, I had some before that was super sticky. I didn't like it. This is just right.
Right now, because it's cold, it's a little chewier. So part of it is hot, part of it is cold, and it's soft and chewy.
So the texture is layered. Very special.
Can I ask what is this? It's like brown sugar?
We simmer ginger and brown sugar together for 12 hours or so, very slowly, until the heat of the ginger is totally gone. So it's all sweet. The heat is gone, leaving just the aroma of ginger.
So what exactly is this called?
In Mandarin, it's called Lu Tangqi, right? In Hakka, it's called Luk Tongqi.
Look, Tang Qi.
Lok Tongqi.
Okay, everybody got that? If you come here, what do you have to say?
Lok
Tang
Qi. As it turns out, Lu means cook in Hakka. Tang refers to the ginger broth, and Qi is mochi. Lu Tangqi was a favorite dessert among farm laborers during the busy season and also stars in the childhood memories of many from Nanzhuang. Thanks to this shop, visitors also have the opportunity to sample this heartwarming Hakka treat. The Penglai River Ecology Trail is 1.6 kilometers long. The water is remarkably clear. Walking along the riverbank, if you look carefully, you can even spot Taiwan Shuffle-jaw Park, Formosan striped dace, Taiwan striped barbs, and more. Nanzhuang locals highly recommend this place for experiencing a slower-paced lifestyle.
One very famous place in Nanzhuang is the Ecology Trail, right?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, I always want to come here for ages. Now I finally get to see how beautiful it is.
Yes, we're finally here, Penglai River. And here to tell us all about its history is our local friend Peng.
Hello!
First, I'd like to ask, what makes the Penglai River Ecology Trail such a special place?
It's the first ever trail for fish conservation and hasn't been too affected by humans, so it still has its natural appearance.
Can we go in the water?
No, in order to protect the natural ecosystem, people aren't allowed in.
It's supposed to stay the way it was, so we can't go in.
Yes, we're going to stay on the trail.
So about how far are we going to walk on this trail today?
3 kilometers or so.
3 kilometers.
Yes.
So if you got that slow pace, you'll probably be like an hour there and back. After all, it's a slow city.
That's right. Nanzhuang is a slow city.
So we'll walk slowly.
And take your time enjoying the scenery. One thing that stands out here is the water is especially clear.
Water testing shows that the pH is between 7 and 8. Oxygen saturation 48%. The silvery white you see glittering next to the rocks is shovel-jaw carp, also known as river fireflies. The ones with 7 dark marks on their body are Taiwan striped bars.
I often hike upstream to river sources or visit rivers, and I like to stick my camera straight into the water to see the ecosystem down there and like what kinds of fish there are. But every time that I pull my camera back again, it just smells so bad. So the first thing I have to do is like find a place so I can give a good wash to my camera, you know? But this time when I pull my camera out, it smells completely clean, not a hint of a bad smell. So the water here is absolutely clear. It's incredibly clean.
This is also a place for education on nature and ecology. Plants, birds, fish, and even minerals. They're all abundant here.
This place is an outdoor lesson in nature.
Oh, I get it. So what you're seeing is the Ecology Trail doesn't just have clean water and a rich ecosystem. It's a place for people also to recharge, to fill ourselves up with positive energy.
It's part of life for people in Nanzhuang.
That's right.
Thanks to the locals, fish conservation in the Penglai River has been very successful, creating a wonderful ecological haven. Whether enjoying a breeze in the forest shade or listening quietly to the sounds of nature or strolling among the trees along the river, walking and listening, de-stressing by breathing in the scents of the trees and taking in positive energy are all great ways to experience the slow pace of life in Nanzhuang.
We often go hiking, which of course is mostly out in nature, right? To see beautiful scenery and all. But the environment here hasn't been damaged by people at all. Oh, from up here on the trail, we can clearly see a ton of fish in the water. I really like this place. Taiwan has plenty of rivers, right? And I think it's great that this place is just for fish. Like we can touch them.
Yes, they're protected.
Yeah, we can appreciate the river ecosystem. I think it's wonderful.
Being out in nature like this feels so carefree.
The Ecology Trail made it clear to me just how much people in Nanzhuang cherish this place. Go there and take a leisure walk, breathe into the air, let your troubles fade into the past and enjoy the moment.